Attitude. I'm very grateful to the AICC leadership.
Stephen,
LP adopted a resolution entrusting the Congress President to take a decision. We discussed with all the leaders. That was the procedure. As working committee members, the cross section of the people, they discussed, they have taken a decision. Promise to the people of Kerala that there should be a new Kerala.
But you're asking bribe from them, and on the other side, you are asking them to be sick.
We will dedicate. We are going to change the definition of political work.
On behalf of the print and advice.